This is the Hello World Podcast.
Okay. So go live. And then my ninth milestone would be something that's recurring, which is gather feedback. At any point. Once you go live, ask feedback, ask people for feedback when you launch courses, ask for feedback. Siguro yan yung never dapat mag-end. We continuously ask for feedback.
Okay. And then that's the loop that can bring you back to what part it can affect your configuration of the LMS.
Correct. Exactly.
Content migration.
That's a good point,
Okay.
Louie. Oo.
Okay.
Yeah, you can go back whenever. Yeah. Ito yung tinatawag na agile way of working, right? You seek feedback, you update, diba? It doesn't have to be perfect at the first run. Okay. And I want to give that.
There you go. Nine Marby milestones that we need to really plan for and watch out for and continuously monitor if we want to go to digital. What's the right term ba, Marby? Pati ako, no? Na-overwhelm ako. Digitalize, automate. What's the right term?
Ako use digital learning.
Okay.
Yeah, digital learning. E-learning as well. I think the digital world kasi it captures all the other technologies that come with, digital learning. There.
So
digital
it's okay
learning.
to say digitalize. We are digitalizing the learning process.
Yes. Yeah.
Okay. It's so important, no? Alam niyo naman, pag may narinig tayong mga buzzwords, yes, you may adopt the buzzwords and not really not really understand which one is really the correct one. Hi everyone, this is Louis Banta, CEO and Chief Trainer of LJMB, or Learning Just Made Better. Thanks for watching my video. To get more videos like this, click subscribe and hit the bell icon below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and share this video to others.